So I hope you guys can see this. But so what I did is this right here is full of Tannerite. It's about 5 or 6 pounds, 5.5, 6 pounds, something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a flashlight, because you know it's nighttime, you're not going to be able to see this thing through the sights. I'm going to attach a flashlight to it, so that way we can see it, what we're shooting at, where to shoot, and we'll see if we can blow this stump out of the ground, see if it'll make a big flash. Alright. Your penis. I was like, oh, well, there's a dick head. It's a nice dick. That's on camera. Looks like chapstick. Huh? Looks like chapstick. No, it doesn't. Only when it's out of the tube. It's all skinny and waxy. Closer. Yeah. You got glasses? No. No, I don't. I got regular glasses. I think I'll be okay. If you put an explosive next to a bunch of fucking bullets. That'll be blown that way. Shrapnel. Fuck yeah! That was awesome! I felt that, dude. I felt that. I was in the car. I felt it. That was cool. That was so cool. We're safe. Oh, it didn't blow over. That's cool. Sweet. Your light's gone. I don't know. Oh, it's right here. Oh, it's. Oh, that was so cool. The stump's still there, though. Part of it. Yeah, a lot of it blew out. A whole lot of it. That was so cool. Had these big ass lag bolts in it. It's fucking down. Oh man. God, that was so cool. I think it's right there. I see something glowing right here. Oh, that's a beer can. I don't know, I guess I gotta turn the headlights off to find out. No, that thing's fucking probably destroyed. Yeah. That was cool. Oh, yeah, I see something over here. That was so cool. There's another beer can. Oh, that was awesome. Dude, I felt it literally go over me like it was a wave. Like it was a fucking ocean wave crashing over me. Yeah, that was awesome. Oh man. Alright. Let me not point that at me while I'm putting it in. And I think we're safe. Yes, we're safe. Alright.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you for watching War Tribe Initiates. I'm Bjorn. This is Ryan. And we got Tyler Childers hanging out on the radio with us. He's always great company. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Send us some ideas. Thanks for watching.